Okay, let's get into this filler, guys. Pretty sure most of you are in here already. Oh, fix that. Pretty sure most of you are in here. Let's go. We got one filler, 10 spots, top 3 draft, 4 or above on the dice. Here we go. 11. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The dice say 11. 11 the final, top 3. Turpy, Max, and Dylan. Sorry, Donald. Sorry, everyone else. Other 3 guys placed, though, at least. Sorry, Donald. That's tough. Turpy, you got first pick. Jets, Steelers, Titans. Steelers just hit massive in early break. Yeah, guys, if you want spots in another one of these, we have PYT 5 up. Titans, okay. Max, you're up next. Turpy with the Titans. Jets or Steelers, Max, and then Dylan, you get the remaining team. Steelers, got you. Dylan, you get the Jets. Okay. We're good to go. I'm just going to take a quick screenshot of this so we can see the teams as we're drafting and as we're breaking. Chase Young, Cam Akers. Yeah, let's see some Chase Young. Let's see some Burrow. Let's see some Tua. Yesterday was Herbert. The box wasn't the greatest yesterday. Hoping to smash it with this one, though. Let's go. This will be the best one yet, hopefully. Okay. Adding the image right now. Let's get into this, boys. Let's go. Bounties, boys, bounties. Second auto. Guess the second auto. What up, Adam? Guess the second auto for 10 in credit. We got 20 in credit for a 101 lottery pick and 10 in credit for a 101 of anything. You don't have to guess those. That's just to someone in the break. Guess the second auto, though, for 10 in credit. Hurts, Bowden, Cam Akers, Roach. Who else? Who else are you guys guessing? Clyde, Swift, Chase, Claypool. Someone guessed it the other day. Donald did. He had 10 in credit. I forgot. I think it's Denzel Mims. Rieger. What up, Dylan? Okay, let's get into this, boys. Good luck, everyone. Let's have a break. Let's do this. I think we got an overdrive to start. Joe, what's your guess? My guess, second auto. Let me think. I'm going with CeeDee Lamb. Bosa. Everything ships, guys. Everything ships. Sony Michel. Tannehill. Carry-on. Edmonds. J.J. Watt. Kyle Fuller. We got a Prism Hall of Fame of Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. A debut red of Ruggs. We hit big with the Raiders, I swear. We've hit so many Ruggs color. There we go. Who even has the Raiders in this? Is it Donald? I don't even know. We even has Oakland still. Max, we gotta change that to I don't even know. Here you go, Donald. Edelman. Overdrive of Chubb for the Browns. Chubb. Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Mahomes MVPs. Jordan Love and Justin Jefferson. What a pack. What a pack. It's a nice rugs, Donald. Next pack, boys. Let's keep it going. Slayton, he had himself a game last night. Randy Moss, A.J. Brown, Marshawn Lattimore, Owen Dawson, Van Der Esch, Lamar base, silver Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. That's massive. Who is that? Is that iFine? iFine Cards. There you go, buddy. There you go, Adam. We got a James Conner red for the Steelers. And a mastery of Emmett. A Minshew montage white /25 for John. Is that John Thomas and the Jags. I know Max is mad right now. He is mad. He loves the Jags and Minshew. He just had him in choice. What a hit. 19/25 montage white of Gardner Minshew. So weird to put over here, but we got her. What a hit. We got a Judy. Barry Sanders. Joe Burrow. That's like $100 card ungraded. Let's go. There you go. Is that Compton? There you go, Compton. I know you wanted this, buddy. And a Pro Bowl of Calais Campbell. First two packs were insane, boys. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. Indeed. Fire pack. Let's keep it up. Charles Woodson. B-Doc. Devontae Parker. Dick Buckus. Leonard Fournette. Kareem Hunt. Julio. Stephon Gilmore Prism for the Pats. A red of Odell Beckham Jr., who's reportedly getting shipped away. Montage of Khalil Mack for the Bears. Blue chips of Ramsey for the Rams. J.K. Dobbins. Jerry Jeudy debut. Cole Kmet. And Peyton MVP. A few scratches on that Peyton. Oh, what's up, Don? Oh, H assignment. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. I got what you mean. We have a blue, boys. We got a blue. Steve Young. Gronk. Mike Evans. Aaron Donald. Stafford. Cole Beasley. Andre Johnson. Silver of Michael Thomas for the Saints. And we have a DJ Moore. Blue. 58/99 for the Panthers. Team colors somewhat. There we go. Kyler Stairmasters. Swagger of Jimmy G for the Niners. It better be a stained glass. T. Higgins. Tua debut. Rieger base. And Palomalo Hall of Fame. There we go. There's some Tua, Dylan. There's some Tua. Mahomes stained glass. I hope so. I want there to be a stained glass. This is our 4th box. First 3 had none. It's crazy. George Kittle. Adrian Peterson. Warren Sapp. Allen Robinson. Tony Gonzalez. Zeke. We got our first auto coming up. It's Jake Fromm for the Bills. More Minshew Mania. It's the 3rd Minshew of the night, 2nd in this box. We had a nice one in choice. Minshew Prism for the Jags. We got Denzel Mims red for the Jets and Dylan. We hit a lot of Mims and Ruggs. 2 guys we hit a lot, and T. Higgins. Hit a lot of them as of right now. Calvin Ridley blue chips. Montage of Calvin Johnson. Tua base. There we go. That's what I like to see. We got Tua and Burrow bases. That's what I like to see. There you go, Dylan. Deshaun Watson, Kinlaw, and debut of Jonathan Taylor. Got the 2nd stack of packs. Let's go. Let's see something crazy. No, that's Rieger, not Hurts. Thought it said Hurts. We got silver. Cam Johnson, Mariota, Ertz, Folk, Kevin King, Montgomery, Mark Brunell, John Brown silver for the Bills, and Melvin Gordon III red for the Broncos. Khalil Mack Stairmasters. We got a montage prism of Peyton for the Colts. Jake Fromm rookie card. Hall of Fame of Jerome Bettis, Anthony McFarland, and Rieger debut. I need some super mag hits. Who do you have again? Mega, who do you have? Forgot. Jerry Rice. Tom Brady. Curtis Martin. Jarvis Landry. Oh my God, card is destroyed. Matt Ryan. Sutton. John Brown. Isaiah Simmons. Prism for the Cardinals. Nice card. Too bad he's in his college uni. Jeff Saturday red for the Colts. Calvin Menamastri. Carson Wentz center stage for the Eagles. Stained in here, I wish, man. I don't know if there's going to be one again. It's annoying. I don't know how this is even possible. Aikman, Devin Duvernay, Antonio Gibson, and TJ Watt Pro Bowl. There's no stained glass in these one of these last 3 packs. I'm going to be so mad. Goff, Jimmy G, Kyle Rudolph, Mike Alstott, Deshaun Watson. I don't think there's Hurts stained glasses. Tillman, Patty, MVP silver of Brady for the Patriots. Patriots uni and Patriots there. It goes to the Patriots, guys. That's a nice card. Michael Thomas red for the Saints. Introductions of Swift. Montage of Marino. Hurts. There's a Hurts though. Clyde debut. Laviska Shenault. And a Brady MVPs as well. Marino's birthday today? Dope. I feel like every quarterback but Herbert. It was Herbert in the next 2 packs. Last 2 packs, boys. Full CeeDee Lamb. Let's see a CeeDee. What is that? Oh my god, that's 2 Stairmasters back to back. Taysom Hill. Thought it was Stinglass. Josh Jacobs. Miles Sanders. D-Hop. Thurmond. Nope, Terrell Davis. Josh Allen. Devontae Adams. Tyler Lockett Prism for the Seahawks. Chris Conley red for the Jags. Lamar Stairmasters. And a Randy Moss Prism Stairmasters behind it. We got more Clyde for the Chiefs. More Clyde. And more Burrow. More Burrow. And there's your CD too. There's a CD. There we go. CD and Jim Kelly. Last pack, boys. Let's hope there's a stained glass in this. Oh, the auto's in here. The other auto's in here too, which is big. The other auto's in here. I don't know if there's any stained glass though. Ramsey, Debo, John Riggins. This is your guesses, guys. Jamal Adams, Khalil Mack, Minshew with a dent in it. Derek Brown. We got pink too. We got pink. Auto for the Panthers. We'll save the pink. No stained glass again. Terry Bradshaw. We got an overdrive of Barkley. No Chase. We got Chase now, though. We have a Chase now. Chase Young base for the Redskins. Kenny Galladay Pro Bowl, C.J. Henderson, and Dobbins debut. No stained glass again. But we got a pink, guys. We have a pink. Not a rookie. It's the Packers. B. Rogers. It's Favre. Oh, we had a Marshawn Silver too, guys. I didn't even know it was a silver. Favre 40 of 49. Pink for the Packers. My dog is at it again. And then a Marshawn Silver for the Hawks. Quick recap. Not an awful break. It's annoying there's no stained glass. Marshawn Lynch, silver for the Hawks. Brett Favre, 40 of 49, pink for the Pack. Chase Young. Overdrive of Barkley. Auto of Derek Brown. Debut of Joe. Clyde Edwards base. Stairmasters Prism of Randy Moss for the Vikings. Jalen Hurts. Debut of Clyde. A big silver MVPs of Brady. Wonder how much that goes for. Center stage of Wentz. Prism of Mosaic of Isaiah Simmons for the Cardinals. We got a Tua base. Denzel Mims red. A Minshew Prism. Jake Fromm from State Farm. Auto. Tua debut. Swagger of Jimmy G. Silver of MT. DJ Moore blue 58 of 99. Joe Burrow base. Mahomes MVPs. Jordan Love. Overdrive of Chubby. Debut red of Ruggs. Got a nice Minshew montage, 19 of 25 for the Jaguars. And a big Clyde silver for the Chiefs. Didn't hit with Mahomes, but you hit with Clyde. All cards will ship, guys. I thank you all for joining in. We got a PYT 5 up right now. PYT 6 will be up tomorrow. Yeah, guys, if you want in on breaks and you want your teams, just put post noties on so you get them right away, because some teams like the Chiefs, Ravens, and that, the big teams fly right away. But, guys, I appreciate all of you for joining in, and it's going to be it for the night. Until next time, guys, everybody have a good night. No problem, guys. See ya. And just one more thing, guys. DM me your address privately if you haven't already for shipping. Thanks.